I want to show you how to make my balsamic glaze roast vegetable quiche. It is an everyday meal, but don't get it twisted, my homies. It is outrageously tasty. It's wholesome, it's versatile, and it's so simple to make. Let's get into it, shall we? We make quiches as a quick dinner, leftovers for lunch, or a weekend brunch. It's a whole meal in just one dish. And what I love about a quiche is that it's got a simple base of milk, eggs, and cream. And thereafter, my homies, you can add anything you want. We're gonna start off by roasting some vegetables. Brand new packaging, which is really beautiful. And what's also new about this is that inside these roast vegetables, you've got your balsamic glaze, which comes in a little packet like this. Pop that into some warm water. Into an oven-safe dish. We're going to line that with some baking paper. And what's cool about this is that we're going to roast our vegetables and make our quiche in here. Space them out. And now we pop them into the oven, which is cranking at 190. Alrighty, let that roast for 18 to 20 minutes, and now we make the base for our quiche. Step 1, we add in 8 glorious eggs. And now we add in our cream and our milk. Some oregano, some smoky paprika, pinch of salt, pinch of black pepper, parsley, handful of spring onion. In we go. Last but not least, cheese. Our veggies are ready for the glaze. Now at this point you change your temperature, crank to 210. Now we add our balsamic glaze. And now we pop it in the oven for 5 to 8 minutes. Look at that. And in we go with our quiche base. Doesn't that look good? I thought we could add another little pop of flavor with some delicious goat's cheese. Finish off with a little bit more spring onion. We haven't chopped a thing, we haven't peeled a veg, and we're about to put it into the oven at 180. Put it in for 30 minutes, and we'll take a look. And our quiche is done. Lordy Lord, have mercy. How impressive is that? Let's quickly dress our salad with some olive oil, sprinkle of salt, and red wine vinegar. And what I want you to imagine is you rocking up to the table on some lunch salad, or dinner, or a weekday brunch. Let's take a look inside, shall we? I am salivating. Take a look at that, my friends. Woo! It's creamy. The vegetables have got such a lovely bite to them still. Go and try it out. Lots of love from me to you.